Right, I don't know what dinner is. We're gonna go and find it somewhere here where we're checking. We haven't made up decision yet, but we'll see. We'll decide later. Acha, let's go. Looks like we're gonna eat here. I'm following Prince. Prince is my guide. So this is all fish. All this here is fish. So where we are, Prince have heard about this street in Amritsar where there is like they do a lot of restaurants here. They do fish and chicken. And when he told me that, I was like, bro, let's go. Fish and chicken. Lights. We take lights. So we're looking at the menu here.
Chicken.
And
Fish me.
we're making up our minds.
We start with snacks like appetizers and all.
Sure, let's start with some Indian snacks. I'm all happy with that. I'm all in for that. Food, bring it on. Right, so what we are doing here is we are checking out the portion, the menu, and so on. It's a procedure we're going with Prince. I like it. I'm enjoying this. So we ordered our first meal, and it's going to be half chicken, right?
Yeah, it's the roast chicken half portion.
Roast chicken half portion, and this is how it looks. So we have the chicken wrapped in. Thank you. And that's how it's served. It's actually decent size. We got some lime, onions, and what is this?
Mint sauce.
Main sauce. Okay, go for it. Give it a try, and see. Shall we order more?
No, it's good.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's yummy. It's worth coming here.
I'll give it a taste test. Here.
Squeeze some lime on it.
Oh wow. Man, that flavor is incredible. It's really good though.
Try with this.
Yeah, we'll try it with.
This must be a little spicy.
It's okay. We'll go like this. Is it like this? Am I doing it right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like that. Oh man, that took it to another level. With the lime as well. That squeeze of lime was amazing. It's really delicious. How'd you find it?
Oh, it's good. It's
Yeah?
so good, man. Oh, very
Yeah.
juicy it is. Good flavor is coming. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, delicious. I think there's more food coming. We haven't ordered, but we will for sure. So we ordered another. Oh my God, it's a surprise. I actually didn't know what Prince ordered. So this is the bread, okay, that we got. This is naan.
This is the tandoori roti.
Tandoori
This
roti.
plain without butter because this has a lot of oil in it.
Okay.
That's why we prefer.
good choice. Okay. So this is what we got. Let's
This
just
is
give it a quick
chicken
mix.
tikka with curry, with gravy.
Chicken tikka with curry. Oh my God. Oh my God, the aroma and that, like the smell, it's like perfume. It's amazing.
Spices. The spices are in proper Punjabi.
Go on, dig in. It's fairly steamy, yes. Smells so good, it's incredible. But I'm gonna give it a try this first.
No, it's good.
Is it? Spicy?
Not much. Not like that chili, you know, but yeah, it is spicy.
Yeah? Okay. Which I don't really mind. Right, let's give it a try.
No?
I like it.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, it's really good. it's actually really good. I like the sauce.
Little tangy.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's, there is a hint of heat in it in the second bite that I took. Yeah, but it's really good. Like, I'm terrible at describing what I'm eating. I know that, like, you've seen it the whole previous videos, but I eat for pleasure. I'm not here just to like critique and analyze and all that. I just eat for enjoyment, you know. And this tastes amazing.
I mean, the bread is good.
Let's try it with bread. No, I got it. Don't worry. And we'll take this here with the chicken. We'll take some of the sauce here. With bread is even better, and I like there is like in the bread there is a burn, a sense of
The
burn
burnt
flavor.
sense and
I like that.
Totally crisp and all.
It tastes really good, yeah. Right, we're gonna smash this as well.